for all the TB patients, what we will explain is how this infection spread from one person to other, and also this is to demonstrate the importance of wearing mask. So to begin with, we will explain how this disease spread from one person to other person. It is because of coughing. So when a person coughs, he starts spraying. So droplet infection starts coming. So when he coughs, if any person who is there within 6 feet, he is more probability of getting the infection because of the droplets. So this we will demonstrate by showing that. See, you can see the droplets that are there at the meter of 6 feet. So in case if the person who is infected with or who are deceased with TB wears a mask, if he wears a mask and if he coughs or sneezes, now he is coughing or sneezing, we can see that the droplets are not spread to the other person. So this can prevent the infection or the disease from the TB infected person to other. So this is why a patient who is infected or deceased with the TB have to wear the mask compulsorily, even he is staying inside the house or also when he goes outside the house. Thank you.